Hello, Poonam. How are you?
Yeah, I am pretty good. Thanks for asking. And what about you?
I'm also doing exceptionally well. Thank you for asking me too. So you are very welcome on my channel. And since you are
Thank you so
first
much.
time on my channel, so could you introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. So, as you know, my name is Poonam Yadav. Originally, I am from Gwalior, but recently living in Sagar. And I am the mother of two beautiful kids. My elder daughter, she is in third standard, and my younger child is a son. He is just 1 year. And if you talk about my qualification, so I have completed my post graduation and B.Ed. As for my hobbies, I enjoying listening music and I spend time with my family. Apart from this, I am improving my communication skills and I have YouTube channel called English with Avikya where I upload English conversation video and my daughter's video both and solo video. That's all pretty much about me. Thank you for listening and what about you?
That's a wonderful introduction from your side. So yes, it's my turn now. My name is Anju Mittal. I completed BCom and I have almost 7 years experience working in different fields of accountancy and 3-4 years in teaching as well. Right now, I'm full-time homemaker, mother of two wonderful kids, and I also engage a little in share market trading. So, and recently I started my own YouTube channel just to make myself more consistent in this spoken English learning journey. So that's a little about
Okay.
me.
Yeah. So, like you said, you are trading in share market, right?
Yes.
So, what kind of trading you are doing?
I do only swing trading because it is quite
Swing
convenient
trading.
according to my time.
Okay. So, how did you manage your all time? Because you already mentioned you have like your hands are full.
Exactly. Your
So,
hands are
how you
more
are
full
managing?
than me. Means you have a toddler, then you are managing your time and you are working on your communication skill. It's all about passion.
Yeah, definitely. It's all about passion.
Because
All right.
once we were dreamer and passionate, but we were bounded to be a housewife, a mother. So it was not our choice, but it is bounding to us. So whenever we get time, so because of social media, we are trying to showing our.
Yeah. Yes. Because social media taught us most of things, and we are aware about what's happening in the world, what's happening in the like our country. So that's why we are more aware about that.
And starting something with a toddler, that's really challenging. My daughter is 5 years
Yeah,
old.
it's very.
E- Even I'm postponing the things. I thought when she'll grown up, she'll be in formal school, then I can start. When I see you kind of housewives, they have toddler like you, Karishma Chauhan. So then I got inspired. Yes, if they can do, they can manage at this stage, so I can definitely manage. And when I started, my everything becomes in my favor automatically. My daughter keeps
Yeah.
silent. She said, "Okay, Mama, you just have your session. I won't disturb you." She's like that now.
Because she is like able to understand because she is I think 5 years old. That's why when my daughter 5 years old, that time like she everything knows like what my mother is doing. I'll not disturb her. And but my son, he's like too small because 1 year he doesn't know everything. That's why he all time need like my attention. So in this way, like, but one thing is always running in my mind, just I want to improve myself also because my daughter always sees learning while seeing me, what mama is doing, what mama is saying, what mama are you mama is speaking English or not. So in this way she is inspiring from me. So I thought it's not easy to for me because as I mentioned, but whenever I get time, okay, so just I manage myself. It's not like 1 hour and 2 hour. That's enough. If you are giving your 5 minutes and 10 minutes, I think it's more than enough. You are a homemaker and your hands are full. You have a lots of responsibility on your shoulders. So I think that's enough. So main reason my daughter is seeing me, that's why I thought I didn't give up. This is my persistence. So that's why I am here. And day by day, just I am improving myself. Now I am making many of mistakes, but mistakes is I think so process of English learning journey. So yeah.
Oh, I can notice
So
there
how
is
did you improve yourself?
yeah, I can notice there is a lots of enthusiasm in your voice, and you don't make mistakes here and there. You speak very well.
I know because after recorded session, then I heard, oh no, I did this. That time, if I'm talking with you, I'm not saying like I'm doing any kind of mistake. I'm not thinking in Hindi. Just I'm trying to speak in English and thinking everything in my mind in English. But after a recorded session, then I start to hear. That time I saw, oh my God, I was making very silly mistakes. There was no need to do. So in this way, yeah, but it's our learning process. It's a journey. Definitely, this is a language. So we are not a robot. We are a human beings. Human being can make mistakes. So I'm not afraid of making mistakes.
And it's natural for everyone. I have seen many best speaker. They also make silly mistake like Janvi Pawar. She has millions of
Yeah.
subscribers. Then also she makes very silly mistakes. So it is, it's a part of our journey.
Yeah, definitely.
Making if
So
we
how long you have been learning this language?
yeah, since last month I am consistent. But yes,
All right.
in 2025, on and off I was practicing through audio call. And I created
All
my
right.
channel in 2025, but due to some other reason, some other responsibility, I couldn't start it. So then in 2026, I thought now it's getting very late, so I should start. So I
Okay.
started my channel. But yes, since then I'm consistent. If I don't get time to book any session, then I made an audio call. At least I'm trying to maintain my consistency.
Okay, so how many session did you take in a single day? How many session do you take?
Only one. One day I took 3 sessions. Somebody added my number in some groups. There are lots of YouTubers were there. So they were sending request after every 10 minutes. Anyone is available for this session and all. Then I thought, yes, I can make lots of session in a day. Then, but it's not like that. We have to record the session, have to put in our gallery. We have to do lot of things after recording.
Yeah.
Have to put subtitles, creating thumbnail, sometime editing. So then I felt
Yeah, lots of work.
overwhelmed. I was not getting time for anything. I was ignoring my daughter. That I thought, no, I have to take only one session in a day. And if sometimes I skip, then it's fine. I'll upload video on alternative days. Then I make my
Alternate, yes.
videos.
I also thought when initial I start my channel, this is my new channel, but my old channel where I uploaded my daughters when she was 2 years complete. That time I used to teach her like activity at home, how to engage our kids at home. So I was used to upload that kind of content on that channel, but I thought I have to make another channel for English conversation video because that is separate, different. So here I am uploading conversation video. My daughter, like, she's very enthusiastic to talk with other co-learners. So I uploaded those session and solo videos, and this is my first session with you. So yes. And okay, so tell me one more thing, how's your channel going?
Now it's not going so well. I have got 40 plus subscriber in a month. So it's not going good.
Oh.
But yes, right now, initially, I'm not eager for subscriber or likes or comments. Initially, I want to work on myself. Later on, I can think about growth of my channel.
Yeah, because this time, like, we are thinking about your processing and our conversation, like Polish or English. Not we are not thinking about how many subscriber and watch time and how many views. It's not all. But if we are making videos, so definitely we make ourselves very consistent. Okay, if we are not making any videos, any recording, any conversation, definitely we can't consistent on that platform. Okay, so YouTube is a one of the best platform where if you have a YouTube channel, so definitely you make consistent yourself because you always think about that. Like it doesn't matter how many viewers you are seeing you. It matter is that if 8% you are seeing, you, oh my God, 8% what they are thinking, I am not uploading any videos. So first let me go there and make some conversation video and some solo video for them, because they are waiting for us. So in this way, definitely we are consistent ourselves, and we keep motivate ourselves, because there is no one to motivate ourselves. Okay, because we always motivate ourselves. If we think I don't want to do, so definitely we can't do. If we think definitely I want to do, whenever I get time, it doesn't matter. It's like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 hour. But if you think like I want to give my best, whenever I get time, it's day, night, afternoon, doesn't matter. But just you have to consistent. So consistency is the most powerful, I can say, skills in your life. If you want to do something, it doesn't matter you are learning English, whether you are like learning something other things. So matter is that if you are consistent, definitely you are learning something.
Consistency can beat intelligence.
Definitely.
So you have one more channel. It's related to vlogs.
No, it's not related. I have also, yes, this related, not blog, but there I used to uploaded my daughter activities videos, like homeschooling when she is I think 2 years old. That time I make her engage at home, because that time I don't have much time. I don't have more responsibilities. So that time I thought I engage her and how to teach like sometime English, broken English, and that time I was not good at English. Even I didn't use for a long sentence, because I was used to make lots of mistakes, and I was used to speak broken language. Okay, so in this way, like she's learning activities in this way, and I am also learning some vocabulary and some English sentences and small sentences. So that type of video I uploaded over there, but some due to some responsibilities, some circumstances happened with me, so I leaved it, and I didn't upload any other any single video. So in this way, I escaped learning language, and I also didn't teach her how to speak, and she also stopped learning. But now, when I second child, I realized again when he completed like 1 year, then I realized why I should not speaking, because this is a journey. If I will not speak in a single day, definitely it will push me back. So I started again, like it's been 2 months. I make to consistent myself, but it's not possible for every day because I mentioned you. So yes, in this way I again started, but I make another separate channel. I am not uploading any other video on that channel.
Okay, so now you and your daughter both are consistent on one channel only.
Only one channel. I'm also entrepreneur, where I am involved in you I think heard Forever Living product company.
Forever.
You heard about that?
Yes.
Yes. But I have you can say my hands are full and I have many responsibilities. That's why I'm not skip that, just I hold that, because I'm handling many calls and follow-ups. It's not possible, because my son is making noise sometime, if I'm talking with other person, like they think, oh no, it's annoying sometime. So I think it's hold sometime. Whenever if he grown up, then after that I again continue.
Like nowadays, I have hold this trading part. Since last 1 month, I am consistent with my channel. So I have taken break from this trading.
Yeah, because we want to do more things, but you know what? Due to some homemakers has blind work, it's not synced for everyone. But because we have lots of work, lots of household things and family care and children's care, like many of responsibilities. We can say countless responsibilities. So in this way, our mind are thinking we have to do this, 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 this. But we are not we are not active in all the part. So definitely, if you want to do, so definitely, however, you want to complete only one thing. It's not possible. You collected all things and you have to consistent all these things. It's not possible for
We can't
homemaker.
burn the
Homemakers,
midnight oil. We can't burn the midnight oil because our children are also burn the midnight oil with us. So it's
yes,
nothing like
even
that
my,
late night. No, we can't do. We can't even plan our day. We plan something, and because of children
yes,
and
it
others,
always helps.
yeah, it happens something else.
Yes, at home,
Yeah.
right?
Now today, it's a heavy rain in our area, so every school is
All right.
closed. Even my son has online class, but we saw her this message by 10 o'clock.
So your son is not regular student?
Oh, he's regular student, but today because of heavy rain, school is cancelled, and
So,
he has his
all
online.
right.
Yes.
So when he didn't go to school, he doesn't go to school that time, always like teacher provide online classes.
Not every time, but yes, today it's it was unpredictable that's why this problem.
All right.
But student
Okay.
don't take seriously this online class. Now I request him please manage with mobile. Otherwise, he was disturbing me in between the session. Then I offer him my mobile. So
Okay. So it's all classes on online or only specific like
no,
subject?
they'll provide only 4 5 periods, not like a school.
Okay, 4 5 periods.
Mm.
So yes.
And we are sailing on the same boat. Like you are thinking about your daughter. I also thought the same. So what
You
happened?
know,
My son was in third standard. I taught him grammar up to 10th level. So he became very good in grammar. He participated in Olympiad exam and he scored full marks in grammar. He won a bicycle. So that time I did not give him a speaking environment because I was not in this speaking journey. So so now he learns everything, every dialogues very fast. But when he perform on a stage, means if teacher pressurize him forcefully, they manage, means if he perform on stage, but he doesn't like to perform on the stage as well. So in case of my daughter, when she was like 2 3 years old, I tried to make her comfort on stage. So I made her participated 3 times on a stage in Shamrock School. Then she participated on the stage. Then I created her YouTube channel, and she started teaching through her YouTube channel. So when I
all
realized
right.
after creating
Wow.
this 5 6 video, she is too good. Now she introduced herself in a very confident manner. Welcome back. Hello guys. Welcome back to my channels and all. Then I thought I should try. I should give it a try. I should start myself. So I got
Yes.
inspired from my daughter.
Me too, me too.
So in the same way, sometimes children are also help us.
Yeah, definitely. Sometimes like children's motivated are parents, but sometimes children motivated from the parents. It's happening. But I also motivated from my like especially for my daughter because she's like very enthusiastic and she's eager to learn new things and she is eager to implement also whenever she learn. She also taught me like, Mama, you did do this wrong, you are not telling in a right way, in a good way. So
Okay.
sometimes he also teach me, you can speak like this, like this, like this. Because nowadays I'm not consistent for like sometime if I'm doing any household work in kitchen, so sometime I wear earphone and listen some English conversation video. Those video very helpful for us because if we are beginner, okay. But some of the many other people I also talk with them in audio call, so they told me conversation video doesn't helpful for us. So what did you think, those video are helpful for us or not?
I always listen conversation video, and before starting this spoken English learning journey, I listen continuously for 1 month. And after 1 month, I started practicing through audio call, and I found myself very comfort. And from day one, I was not making any basic mistake. And this is the power of listening only. And we enjoy listening conversation because we can resonate with ladies and the person who are, intermediate in at their journey. So we found it's interesting, and they are short for 20-30 minutes. So we can manage easily. So yes, they are very helpful.
Yeah. So I also want to give one message for beginner, like if they are just thinking, okay. So stop your thinking and start listening some conversation video, because those video are very helpful for us if we are a beginner, because we get many motivation. If they can speak, so why should I not? So many of homemakers, they also told me, now you are too busy and still busy. How you engage your time? So my first and simply answer is that just if you have a earphone, so just wear earphone and listen some conversation video, because those video are very helpful, because we are learning something from them. We are putting in our mind. So if you are a mother, you are also fortunate. Talk with them. Okay. If you will talk with them, definitely you will uh, exercise your mouth. You know, always be putting our mouth, but we are not active any activity from there. So just try to speak in front of your kids if you have kids, because if you will speak with them, it doesn't matter like broken English, any single word. Try to speak just small sentences, one word. Definitely you are comfortable when you are going to start speaking. So this is the good way. If you are a learning, like if you are a beginner, you are just drop down yourself for thinking this, like I'm not good this language, because we are also learner. We are learning in this way. We are hearing and we seeing, like if she speak, so why I can't? So in this way, definitely we can learn many of things because of conversation video.
And knowing grammar became hinder for me. Initially, I was thinking when I speak perfectly, then only I can start my channel. Then only I can go with video conversation. But one day I saw a man who connected with Rajni Verma, Try to Thrive channel, and he couldn't utter a single sentence. But I appreciate his efforts. So then I understood if he couldn't utter a single sentence, he doesn't know anything. Then also he's so daring. Then I was, inspired from these kind of people who were so daring, so confident, although they don't have much knowledge. Then I thought I have much knowledge related to grammar, related to English. Then why should I dive into this conversation? And it can never happen. If I think I should perfect first, then I can go. No, it can never happen. And by practice is
No,
only the mantra. Practice only the mantra, and we can improve little by littles. But yes, perfection is a path which is always under the constructions. We can never be perfect.
Yeah, because perfect time doesn't come. If you want to perfect yourself, so just try to speak and just took decision. I think you should take decision. If you are thinking, so definitely you are involve more thinking. It doesn't happening. And if you are going to speak in a single word and some sentences, definitely it will happen one day. So
we have left only 10 minutes. So last question I really want to ask you. How did you make your daughter so comfortable for having this session? How did you convince her?
To be very honest, I didn't convince her to talk with any other co-learners, because she is also interested. One day when I was watching conversation video, so that time she come and sit nearby me and said to me, Mama, what are you watching? So just I said, look, I am seeing this type of conversation. So she said, I just usually ask her, you want to talk with them? So she said, yes, I want to talk with them. In this way, I thought she is very interested to talk with others. So I thought if she is interested to talk with others, so definitely I should take decision. And I messaged all the YouTubers and all the co-learners. And initial I told them, if you are comfortable, talk with my daughter. But sometime some co-learners said to me, you are talking with me and your daughter. she is only 7 years old. Is she speak English or not? I said yes, because she is also, I would say, she is very fascinated about this language. So in this way, like, she started conversation with other co-learners, and she is enjoying when she are like conversation with other person. So in this way, because I don't have much time to conversation with the other co-learners, and if she had time, so I thought, I think I have involved her in this conversation. So in this way, she is learning and she is enjoying this conversation. When she, like, not regular, like, I think it's 1 week, I think two and more than one session, that's enough. Because she also have a lots of work from school side, and whenever she get time, if someone send link and message, yes, I want to conversation with her, because she is very cute, and she is very confident about this language. So in this way, she is enjoying this journey, and I also appreciate her, and I encourage her. Definitely you can talk with her if you are interested to
Yes,
involve in this
I
conversation.
would love to talk to her. I was waiting for her. But yes, talking in English is okay. Every child can talk nowadays. But facing the people, this is really challenging. And she's so
Yeah,
daring,
this
so
is it.
confident. That's why she's able to do this. Because my daughter
Yeah.
speaks with
See,
me only.
or nowadays, you know what happening with me? She is not speaking with me. She always
Oh.
speak with the others, like co-learner and strangers. I don't know. She said, Mama, I don't want to talk with you in English, but I want to talk with others like sir and ma'am, because I am enjoying when I'm talking with others. So this is happening with me right now.
That's really lovely. I would definitely love to talk to her.
Thank you so much.
So we have left only 5 minutes. Do you want to ask me something?
No, I think that's all over about from my side.
Before
So we
this
are
session
going to
ends abruptly, so
wind up
we
the
should
day.
wind up the session. Yeah, so thank you
Yes.
so much for joining. I really enjoyed conversation with you.
Me too. I also really enjoy it, and this is my first conversation, and I am very fortunate to talk with you. Thank you so much for having conversation with me.
Okay, this
Thank
is
you so
your
much.
first video conversation.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't seem like you seem, so confident, like you have participated in many of conversation. It doesn't seem that.
No, I didn't ever. One day I decided to talk with one ma'am, but she has some like technical issues, so we talk only 3 to 5 minutes, more than enough.
Okay.
But this is one my first conversation with
Wow,
you.
that's really lovely. And I
Okay.
grew up. So, okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.